I'm Esther, and this is Tony, and we're with Bruce Hardwood Flooring, and today we're going to talk to you about how to repair your floor. Now, if you've never done this before, we're in good company, because I've never done this before, but fortunately for us, Tony has over 40 years of experience in floor installations and repairs, and he's going to show us what we're doing.
So no need to worry, Esther. It's going to be very easy. All right.
Excellent,
What we're going to go over is we're going to go over a scuff, a nick. We're going to use the touch-up kits. We're going to use a filler. We're going to use a stain stick, and we're going to use a bruise cleaner. So the most important thing is once you have the scuffed area or damaged area, you want to make sure you clean it with the Bruce Hardwood cleaner.
All right.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to scuff the floor.
Okay.
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 So if you would go ahead and clean that area for us.
Spray it on a rag here so we don't apply too much, and you can, oh yeah, you see some of that dust going away, and then we dry it, but because I can tell it's still there. That scratch is still there pretty good. Okay.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to completely dry.
Okay.
Okay, so you can still see a little bit of residue right there. So we're going to wait for that to dry, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over it with the stain stick.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to fill that in.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to ask you to do is lightly rub the area. So remember, we don't want to pull the stain out, right?
Okay.
We just want to blend it.
Got it.
Okay, so if you would go ahead and blend it in.
Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful looking floor right there.
And then all you want to do is just go ahead and you want to let that dry.
Okay.
Okay, just let it dry, and then you can come back and clean the area.
Okay.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, let's just say we have a little damage to our floor, right?
Okay. Okay.
So we want to go ahead and clean that.
Okay. Let's get that cleaned up. Oh, yep, there's my little dent.
So now the next thing we're going to use is we're going to use the filler. Okay. So I'm just going to take a little area.
All right.
I'm going to go ahead and dab it. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and lightly rub that area. Right, so we don't want to pull it out.
Oh,
right?
sure. But look at that.
So now what you want to do is to blend that is let the filler dry.
Okay.
And then go ahead and use your stain stick and blend that area. Okay.
All right.
So remember, you have two stain sticks. One's a little lighter, one's a little darker.
Okay. They can match the grain of whatever my floor
That's correct.
is. All right.
Okay.
Good deal.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the fill stick.
Okay. Excellent. All right. We'll clean that up. Make sure that's
Yep. We want to clean that up.
cleaned off there and got the dust out. Okay. All right. And we have all these different sticks here that came in the kit. So how do I know which one to use?
Right. So what you want to do, Esther, is you want to go ahead and match the one that best coordinates with the grain, with the grain area.
Right.
And remember, like if you have light spots and dark spots, you can use two.
Okay.
You can use two fillers.
Okay, so yeah, let's just try a little bit of this and see what happens. Oh yeah, actually that matched pretty good. And then I can just see where the green is there and there. Oh yeah, look at that. Those two together kind of work pretty well, huh?
So now, you don't have to use a credit card out of your pocketbook, right?
Good deal.
So we supply you with a credit card. So what the credit card is for is we want to remove that excess, right?
Okay.
So we want to go ahead and remove the excess. And once I get the excess removed, you'll still see there's still going to be a little shiny spot there.
Okay.
Okay, from the wax.
Okay.
So we spread that out a little bit. So what you want to do is just take a little
Cleaner.
cleaner on there.
All right, and we'll kind of rub around that real well. Okay. Yeah. Excellent.
Now the other thing, if you have a larger area, you know, where you have a scuff and you want to go ahead and put urethane in, we do supply every kit with a little urethane bottle that has a little brush in it. So you can go ahead and brush it on.
Okay.
Right. So you could wait for that to dry and you could brush that.
Brush that on, and that'll change the gloss just slightly to get my gloss to match where my floor is. So let's say I have a higher gloss floor that I want to repair that space with. I can use this to do that. Okay. Excellent. Well, Tony, thank you so much for taking time with me today to show me how to do this. I hope this was helpful for you guys at home. If you have any additional questions, we do have a Bruce customer service hotline. Feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you, and good luck with your floor.
Good luck.